Krishav is also there. Okay. So, today we will study about fermentation of milk. Okay. Do you drink milk at home?
Yes.
All three of you, Swaraj, Udit, Krishav. Do you drink milk at home? Yes? All of you? Only Udit drinks. Or Swaraj, you also drink.
Yes, I drink.
Okay. Okay. So you like milk? Do you like milk?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. All right. Have you ever tasted curd? Krisha, what are you doing, beta? Krisha, have you eaten curd, Krisha?
Yes.
Yes. Swaraj and Udit, have you eaten curd? You all know what is curd?
Yes.
What do we call curd in Hindi? What do we call curd in
Dahi.
Hindi?
Dahi.
Dahi. Very good.
Dahi.
So have you ever eaten curd?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Like,
Do you like it? The curd you like?
no.
No. Okay. So in today's topic, we will learn how milk is changed to curd. Okay. Because milk has to change to form curd. Okay. So in this topic, we will learn how milk is changed to curd. And that process of changing the milk to curd is known as fermentation. What is the process known as? Fermentation. All of you all tell behind me, all of you all tell with me. What is it called? Fermentation. Fermentation. Krisha, what is it called, beta? I can't hear you.
Fermentation.
Okay, fermentation. All right, next slide. Okay. Now you can see on one side there is milk and on the other side there is curd. Can you tell me what is the difference when you see it? Can you know which is milk and which is curd?
This one is milk and this one is curd.
Which one is milk and which one is curd? Which is in the jug? What is it? What
milk.
is milk? And what is in the small bowl?
Curd.
Curd. Okay, so when you see it, you can know, right? Which is milk and which is curd. Can you all tell me some of the differences that you all see in milk and curd? How can you all know that is milk and this is curd? Anyone? Swaraj,
Curd is
Udit.
little bit like a heat and milk is very like liquid.
Milk is very liquid.
Liquid,
Very good.
like
So,
liquid and
okay. So milk is liquid and you can say curd is little bit of solid. Right? Curd is little solid and milk is liquid. Yes, that is one difference when you see them. Okay, when you taste them, is there any difference between them? When you taste the milk and when you taste the curd, you all have all eaten milk and all of you all have drunk milk and you all have tasted curd, right? Tell me what is the difference in the taste? Milk, how does it taste?
it tastes
It tastes
like very nice. And
how does it taste? Milk? Nice.
nice.
Okay, I'll give you four options. Okay, it tastes sweet, sugar. It tastes sweet, sour, bitter, or salty.
Little sweet.
Little sweet. Okay. And what about curd on the other hand? Curd, sweet, sour, bitter, or salty? Curd, how does it taste? Sour or salty? What are your? How does it taste? Sweet, sour, bitter, or salty? You don't have to add something before adding. Have you ever tasted curd before adding sour? It tastes sour. Okay. If you don't add anything and you eat curd little bit, it will be sour in taste. Okay. You all know what is sour? Tell me any other food item which tastes sour. Any other food item can you name that tastes sour?
Lemon.
Yes. Yes. Very good, Swaraj. Lemon. Lemon tastes sour. Okay. Now, apart from these differences, there is also one more difference which we don't know. What is that? In milk, there is a sugar called lactose sugar. What is there in milk? Lactose sugar is there in milk. And in curd, that lactose sugar changes into lactic acid. So in milk, there is lactose sugar, and in curd, there is lactic acid. Okay, that is the difference between milk and curd. When in the milk, there is lactose sugar, and in the curd, that lactose sugar becomes lactic acid. All right. So that process of changing of the lactose sugar to lactic acid is known as fermentation. That is how milk is changing to curd, when the lactose sugar changes into lactic acid. Understood, three of you?
Yes. Yeah.
You all understood? Okay, next slide. Yeah. So, how is the milk changed? How is the lactose sugar getting changed to lactic acid? There is something that is changing it. If you keep milk for about 5 hours, will the milk change to curd? Tell me. If you keep milk somewhere for 5 hours, milk will change to curd on its own. Magic is happening. Will the milk change to curd? If you keep milk for 5 hours somewhere, will the milk become changed to curd?
Yes.
No, beta, it won't change. There is something that has to be added to the milk. And there is something that is changing that. Okay. There is if you keep milk for 5 hours like that, it will not change to curd. There is something that is changing the milk to curd. What is that? That is a bacteria. You all know what is bacteria? Tell me, what is a bacteria? Yeah. You all know what is bacteria? Have you heard about bacteria before?
I have heard.
Swaraj, you have heard about bacteria before?
About it, but I have heard the name.
Okay, you have heard the name. Bacteria is very, very small. Okay, it is very small. We cannot see it. We cannot see the bacteria. It is very small. So we need a microscope to see the bacteria. Okay, so something is changing the lactose sugar into lactic acid. Something is changing the milk into curd. What is that? That is a bacteria. And what is the name of that bacteria? That is lactobacillus bacteria. What is the name of it? Lactobacillus bacteria. Lactobacillus bacteria. Okay. Yeah. Lactobacillus bacteria. Now, what the bacteria is doing? Okay. The lactobacillus bacteria is present in the curd. Okay. What it is doing? You know what is digestion? It is breaking the lactose sugar. to form lactic acid. When we eat food, what do we do? Tell me. Swaraj, when we eat food, what are we doing after chewing the food? What happens? Tell me. What happens to the food? We are chewing the food. We are biting and chewing the food. Then where does the food go? Where the food is going? Stomach. Okay. So when it is going to the stomach, it is getting digested. It is breaking down more and more, more and more. It is breaking down to something very, very simple. So when it is going down, it is getting digested. Okay, our food is getting digested. So what does the lactobacillus do? It is digesting the lactose sugar. The lactobacillus is digesting or breaking the lactose sugar. And what it is making, it is breaking it to form what? Lactic acid. I told you all in the first slide, lactose sugar is changed to lactic acid. So the lactobacillus, that bacteria is breaking the lactose sugar into lactic acid. So what it is doing, it is digesting. How we digest our food? Like that, the lactobacillus is digesting the lactose sugar in the milk. Okay, so when we are eating milk, when we are eating curd, what we are eating? We are eating something which is half digested by the bacteria. When we are eating curd, we are eating something that is half by bacteria. Bacteria has already digested it half. It has already half digested the milk. So the milk changes to curd. Okay. So we can say that lactobacillus partly digests the milk to change it into curd. Clear with that, everyone?
Yeah.
Understood?
Yes.
Yeah. So, okay. Now, if you keep milk out for a long time, the milk will get spoiled. If you keep it, if you don't keep it in the fridge, then the milk will get spoiled very soon. Okay, but what about the curd? The curd will remain for a longer time. The curd will not get spoiled easily. It will take a longer time to get spoiled. Okay, so what is curd? Tell me what the curd has become, like how the curd is formed, which is a bacteria that is involved in the production of curd. What is the name of that bacteria? What is the name of what is the name of that bacteria?
It starts with
Anyone remembers? Yes. Who said that?
me. Bacillus.
Krisha, did you say that?
Bacillus.
Lactobacillus.
Bacteria.
Okay. Yeah. Lactobacillus bacteria changes the milk to curd. What it changes in the milk? It changes lactose sugar in the milk to lactic acid. When the lactose sugar changes to lactic acid, milk changes into curd. Is that clear to everyone? Have you all understood this much? Okay, we'll go to the next slide now. Okay, so what we have to do to make curd? Suppose we have milk in one container, okay? We have to have milk in one container and you add little bit of curd to that container. What does the curd contain? Which bacteria I told you all? What is the name of the bacteria again? Tell me. What is the bacteria that is present in the curd?
It's
Lactobacillus. Very good. It is lactobacillus. Lactobacillus. Okay. So when we have milk, okay, in one container, you have to add curd to it because inside the curd, the bacteria is there. The lactobacillus bacteria is inside the curd. So you have to add little bit of curd to it. Then that lactobacillus bacteria, what it will do inside the milk, what is the sugar inside the milk? What is the name of the sugar which is present in the milk? What sugar? Lactose sugar. Yes. So that lactobacillus bacteria will change the lactose sugar into lactic acid. Okay. Then the milk will change to curd. Okay. Next slide. And there are many people who cannot digest milk. They have allergy from milk. They don't like milk. Okay? They don't like milk. So what they do, they cannot digest the milk. So those people can digest the curd easily. They can digest the curd easily because the curd is half digested by the bacteria. Bacteria already has digested the curd. It has already half digested the curd. So people who have allergy from milk, people who cannot digest the milk, they can easily digest the curd because curd is already half digested by bacteria. Okay, already half digested by the lactobacillus bacteria. So it is easy for people to digest curd. Okay, now why we should eat curd? Curd has many benefits. Okay, they have many benefits. Why should we eat curd? One thing, because curd helps us to digest everything properly. When we eat curd, every food that we eat gets digested very quickly, gets digested very easily if we eat curd. Okay, so we must eat curd. And curd also helps us to get more energy from our food. Tell me why we need energy. Anyone can tell me why we need energy?
Because otherwise we can't walk or move our hands and all.
Yes, very good. So we need energy to do everything. We are walking, we are moving about, we are doing some work, we are studying, we are playing. All of that needs energy. Okay, so if we eat curd, we get more energy from other food items that we take. So that is also one benefit of curd. And curd also produces vitamin B. Now, vitamin B is very, very important for us. It keeps our nails healthy, it keeps our hair healthy, it keeps our eyes healthy, it keeps our teeth healthy, so it keeps our skin healthy. So if we take curd, so many things become healthy, like our eyes, teeth, nails, skin, hair, all becomes healthy. We have good skin, hair is good, nails are growing properly. So all these things curd gives us. Okay, curd helps all these things to be healthy. Okay, and what do we do to all the waste in our house? What we do? Where do we throw it? All the waste in our house. Where do we throw all the waste in our house? From our house?
In the dustbin.
In the dustbin. In the same way, there is so much of waste inside our body also. So what does the curd do? The curd helps to remove all this waste out of our body. It throws it out of our body. It cleans our body. Okay, so that is also another benefit of taking curd. Clear? Now, inside, after our stomach, there is also intestine, right? You know where is the intestine? Can you show me where your intestine will be? Is it above the stomach or is it below the stomach? Is it on top of the stomach or below the stomach?
It is above the stomach.
Yes.
Somewhere here.
It is above the stomach. Anyone else? Is it above the stomach? Is it big? Means from when we take food, it goes first to intestine, then it goes to our stomach. No. First the stomach will come, then intestine will come. Okay, intestine is present after the stomach, below the stomach. Okay, so what it does, the curd helps to keep the intestine wall also healthy. The intestine is having a wall, so it helps to keep the intestine wall also very, very healthy. Okay, next slide. Okay, so now we do the experiment. Okay, you have everything. You'll have 2 cups. All of you will show what are the things that you'll have.
Ma'am, we didn't have thick curd, but we had the curd we had.
Okay,
Yeah.
no problem. Okay.
I-
Krisha, do you have everything? 2 cups, plates, then milk, spoon.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Yes, yes, Udit, I can see yours. Swaraj, I cannot see yours, and Krishav also. I can see little bit. Only 1 cup I can see. Yes, Swaraj. Okay. So what you'll have to do, you'll have to take, see, I'm showing you all also. Can you all see?
Yeah.
Okay. In 1 cup, you all will keep hot milk. Hot milk. In this cup, I am having hot milk. And in this cup, I am having warm milk. You all know what is warm? Not very hot. So in 1 cup, you will keep very hot milk. Yes, Udit, what did you say?
I'm coming 1 minute.
Yes, yes, okay. So in 1 cup or glass, whatever you all have, you all will keep in 1 glass or cup, in 1 container, you all will keep hot milk, and in another container, you all will keep warm milk. Okay, in another container, you all will keep warm milk. Okay, all of you all do that step, then I'll tell you all what to do next.
Ma'am, my
So this, yes,
you're doing the milk and the milk hot from on the gas.
what happened to the milk? The milk fell on the gas.
Milk went cold, so my mom is again doing it hot.
Okay, okay.
So we'll give you
So
all
other
2 minutes to bring complete boiled milk. Take 2 minutes and get complete boiling milk in 1 container.
Complete boiling milk. Ma'am, 1 warm and 1 complete boiling milk, ma'am.
Yes, yes, Udit. Ready, children? Okay, tell me what all you have now. I can see hot milk. Udit has hot milk. There's steam coming out of it. Krishiv, do you have hot milk? Is it very, very hot?
No.
We want very, very hot milk in one container.
Okay. Wait.
Swaraj, do you have? Oh, Swaraj, be careful when you're touching the hot milk, baby. Yeah, don't touch the glasses. Just leave the glasses in front of the camera. Don't touch them, okay? Now, do you have curd in a small container and a spoon? Do you have curd with you? Very good. Very good. Do you have spoon? Very good. We'll wait for Krishav. Are you drinking the milk? No, right? Okay, we'll wait for Krishav to get the hot milk, okay? And then we will tell you what is to be done next. Oops. Okay. All right. Everyone is ready?
Yes.
Okay, keep your microphones on. Keep your mic on. I'm going to ask you all something. Now, see, Nicola ma'am is back. Okay. Nicola ma'am, can you see us and hear us?
Yeah.
Okay. So all the students are ready with all the supplies. So you can instruct them.
Okay. So what I will do in both the containers, you all will put 1 spoon of curd. In both the containers.
In both containers. Ma'am, which container, the hot and the warm?
The hot and warm container, you all put 1 spoon of curd.
Full spoon or half?
What with it?
Full spoon or half?
Full spoon. It depends on how big your spoon is. Yeah, you can put no, you have to take more curd, Udit. You have to take more, little bit more curd.
This one.
Yeah, more you have to take. You have to take the curd and mix it properly in both the containers.
Okay.
Okay? Take curd and mix it properly in both the containers. So what will happen in the hot one? The hot one is very hot. So So that that bacteria, what will happen to it when it is very hot? It will die inside. When you are adding curd, you are adding that bacteria, right? So the bacteria will die inside the hot milk. All right. But in the warm milk, it will eat. What it will do? It will eat the lactose sugar. It will eat the sugar and change it into what? It will change it into lactic acid. Okay. Understood? What will happen in the hot milk? What will happen to the bacteria?
Nothing has happened yet.
You will not see it now. Udit, you have to keep it for a day. For 1 day, you will keep it. Then you will see that it has changed to curd. It will not happen suddenly. Okay, you have to keep it. After that, it will change. Now it will not change. Now you cannot see anything. It will take time. Okay, it will take some time. So you will keep these two glasses separately. You will allow it to form curd. Okay, after 1 day, what you will do, you will click the pictures and send us on the WhatsApp group. All right, when the what will happen, you all will see that in the hot milk nothing will be formed. Curd will not be formed in the hot milk. Why? Because the bacteria will die because the milk is very, very hot. But what will happen in the warm milk? The bacteria will eat the lactose sugar and it will change it into lactic acid. That is becoming curd. Okay. So what you have to do? Tell me, children, what you all have to do? You all don't throw away the milk. What you all will do? You have to keep it. No, you all will not drink it. You all will keep it. You all will keep it for some time. Okay, you all will keep it. Think about a day. Keep it for a day, and then you all will see that the milk will change into curd. The warm milk will change into curd, but the hot milk will not. The hot milk will remain as it is. Okay. After 1 day, you will take pictures and you will send us on the group. All right.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So, children, now, did you understand what you did right now?
Yeah.
What did you do? One by one, everyone will tell me. We'll start from Swaraj. Swaraj, what did you do? Swaraj, what did you do today? का नाही सांगायचंय तुला स्वराज? Okay, Krishav to start. Krishav, you want to tell? आप लोग हिंदी में भी बता सकते हो. हिंदी, मराठी, गुजराती, कोई भी लैंग्वेज चलेगा.
ठंडू चली गरम हाँ थोड़ी ठंडू दूध આપણે શું નાખ્યું?
Krishav તે શું કર્યું અત્યારે?
શું કર્યું એમ કે દૂધની અંદર શું નાખ્યું?
દૂધની અંદર દહીં નાખ્યું. दूध गरम હતો कि ठंडू હતું कृष्ण? दूध ठंडा था कि गरम था? ठंडा. ओके. उदित, आपने क्या किया?
दही को दोनों गरम और ठंडा दूध में डाला और फिर मिक्स किया.
ठीक है. अब एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर स्वराज बताएगा. स्वराज, आप मुझे बताओ कि अगर आप बहुत कोई गर्म जगह पे डेजर्ट में जाओगे तो विल यू लाइक टू लिव देयर इन वेरी वेरी हॉट वेदर? नो, राइट? विल यू लाइक इट और नॉट? नहीं. बहुत गर्मी होगी तो आपको नहीं मजा आएगा, राइट? वैसे ही ये जो बैक्टीरिया है ना दही में, जब आप उसको बहुत गर्म दूध में डालोगे ना तो उसको मजा नहीं आएगा, तो वो कुछ भी नहीं खाएगा उसमें से। वो शुगर खाता है, राइट? लैक्टोज शुगर खाएगा आपका बैक्टीरिया, बट जब दूध बहुत गर्म होगा तो वो नहीं खाएगा शुगर, ठीक है? और जब आप उसको अच्छा वाला टेम्परेचर का मिल्क दोगे, मतलब वार्म मिल्क, आप लोग भी वार्म मिल्क पीते हो ना कि गरम गरम मिल्क पीते हो? वार्म, राइट? वार्म मिल्क। तो वैसे ही बैक्टीरिया को भी वार्म मिल्क ही अच्छा लगता है, गरम मिल्क नहीं अच्छा लगता। ओके, तो जब आप दही को वार्म मिल्क में डालोगे तो वो बैक्टीरिया क्या करेगा, जल्दी जल्दी दूध पिएगा और बड़ा हो जाएगा, और थोड़ी देर में वो दूध से दही बना देगा मैजिक करके। ओके, बट जब आप बैक्टीरिया को गर्म दूध में डालोगे वो बोलेगा मुझे नहीं पीना है, बहुत गर्म है ये, मैं नहीं खाऊंगा दूध, एंड दही नहीं बनेगा। डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग?
Yeah.
Okay, who will explain what I said? In any language you all can speak. Who will explain? Okay, one by one, each one of you will explain. First, Udit, because Udit has a class from 12. So first, Udit will start.
We have very hot milk and we put dahi in the milk. The bacteria will not drink the milk, and if we put it in the warm milk, it will drink the milk only, and then in the hot milk it will turn into dahi.
In the hot milk it will turn into dahi, or in the warm milk?
Hot.
No, in the warm it will turn into dahi. In the hot, bacteria will not grow. Okay. Swaraj, can you say now? You want to say, Swaraj, or you don't want to say? स्वराज, तुला सांगायचंय की नाही सांगायचंय? नो? ओके. कृषિવ, you want to say? कृષિવ, તારે કેવું છે તે શું કર્યું અત્યારે?
શું કર્યું? આપણી પાસે કેટલા કપ હતા?
2.
તું સમજાવ, મેં સમજાવું. એમાં શું હતું?
2 cups માં પાણી હતું? पानी था दोनों कप्स में? क्या था? दूध था। मिल्क था। कैसा था? ठंडा दूध? ठंडा और गरम। फिर आपने क्या किया? दही डाला। फिर क्या किया? ओके, दही डाल के क्या किया आपने? मिक्स किया। ओके, अब आप लोग क्या करोगे? आप लोग शाम को 6 o'clock को आप अभी ये जो आपने 2 ग्लास में दही मिक्स किया है, इसको आप आपके किचन में रख दो, ठीक है? शाम को 6 o'clock को आप उसको देखना, ठीक है, कि वो दही बना है या नहीं बना है, ठीक है? और उसके बाद आप उसको टेस्ट करके देखना कैसा है, ओके? और हमें फोटो भेजना, हाउ इज द दही, ओके? नाउ नेक्स्ट टाइम whenever you don't have curd in the house, you should not wait for mama to make curd. What you'll do? You can make curd yourself, right?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay, over to Nicola ma'am.
Okay, so you learned how to make curd today. You all can all make curd, right?
Yes.
Yes, Swaraj, you can make curd. Okay, so what you all will do, you all will click the pictures and you all will send us, okay, All of y'all?
Okay.
Okay. Next class, another topic, okay? Bye.
Bye.
Bye, children.
Bye, all of you.
Bye.